Refugees are human beings who deserve our love and support. That's the great message you've been sharing, and we want to help you reach a wider audience with that message by offering you our Oscar-qualified animated film called Lamya's Poem. Lamya is a refugee girl in the present who meets Rumi 800 years in the past, as they both are forced to flee their homes and have to learn to fight hatred with hope. Audiences are amazed to learn that Rumi, the famous poet of love, was also a refugee. His early experiences shaped his poetry. With a stellar cast including Aladdin's Mina Masood, Star Trek's Farhan Tahir, and Wonder's Millie Davis, Lamya's Poem has been praised by the critics for its storytelling and its heart. We're making this film available to you at no cost in the spirit of World Refugee Day. We invite you to sign up and to show the film to your family, your community, your volunteers and donors, your members and constituents. We invite you to bring people together to build the conversation around the humanity of refugees and hopefully help your work. We're doing it because our mission at UPF is to promote peace and greater understanding.
The world is full of signs that we often do not see.
Can I go out with my friends?
Not today, Lamya. I have a bad feeling.
You're leaving? I brought you a new one. Do you know who Rumi is? He lived a long time ago in a beautiful city, but then conquerors invaded. He became a refugee.
I know it seems hopeless, Jalal. But try to look beyond this moment. You were made a writer because someone somewhere needs your words.
Lamya! Lamya! Oh my God!
How are we going to get across the sea?
We'll have to pay someone.
This book, it's special, very special.
My name's Lamya.
Oh, Jalaluddin. But you can call me Jalal.
Jalaluddin? Rumi?
Do you want a place on the raft or not?
Please! It's all I have.
Unseen door in
your own essence. It opens to an ocean of light.
It carries you across time and space and connects you to the entire universe.
Have you seen my daughter?